OnePlus 6 speculation is slowly revving up. Someone on Weibo today leaked what could be the phone's actual specs and pricing details, and they indicate OnePlus' next phone could have some very high-end specs. This leaker says the OnePlus 6 will feature a 6.2-inch display, a Snapdragon 845 processor, and 8GB of RAM with up to 256GB of storage, potentially with 64GB and 128GB versions available, too. The phone also might include dual, rear-facing cameras with one 12-megapixel sensor and a 20-megapixel sensor, as well as the company's dash charge fast charging. The one thing this leak isn't completely clear on is pricing, since it isn't evident what currency the figures are in. At the very least, the pricing details for the OnePlus 6 appear to be quite low relative to the price of the iPhone X and Galaxy S9 Plus listed on the chart. While OnePlus phone prices have been rising over time, it's still known for selling flagship quality phones at lower prices than other manufacturers. An image that leaked earlier this month suggests that the phone will have an edge-to-edge display with a notch at the top. We speculated that the phone could look a lot like Oppo R15 because the company shares the same owner as OnePlus, but the leaked photo above shows that OnePlus phone will at least have a different back design. Elsewhere, we've heard that the phone might have a more advanced facial recognition system than the OnePlus 5T, possibly one that could rival Face ID on the iPhone X. It currently looks unlikely that the OnePlus 6 will support wireless charging. The company has confirmed that the OnePlus 5T doesn't due to the tech not being a match for wired dash charge, and we doubt it will have advanced enough for OnePlus to reverse its decision for the OnePlus 6.